Imagine waking up every day with glass-like, glowing skin that looks smooth, radiant, and healthy, without expensive treatments or harsh chemicals. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon, because this channel shares science-backed, natural ways to achieve flawless skin from the inside out. The secret isn't in creams, it's in the foods you eat, especially these 5 fruits that are packed with nutrients to hydrate, repair, and rejuvenate your skin. First, mangoes are loaded with vitamin A and C, which help boost collagen production, repair damaged skin cells, and give your skin that firm, youthful look. Eating mango regularly can help fade dullness and fine lines while keeping your skin hydrated. Next, kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse that protects against oxidative stress, brightens your complexion, and promotes collagen and elastin production, making your skin plump and radiant. Third, papaya contains natural enzymes like papain that gently exfoliate dead skin cells while promoting new cell growth. Its high vitamin A and C content helps maintain smooth texture and improves elasticity, giving your face a soft, glassy finish. Fourth, pomegranate is packed with polyphenols that fight free radicals, repair skin tissue, and boost blood circulation, resulting in a glowing, even-toned complexion. Drinking its juice or adding the seeds to your meals daily strengthens skin from the inside. Finally, avocado is rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and glutathione, which deeply nourish your skin, lock in moisture, and protect against premature aging. Including avocado in your diet or applying it as a natural mask helps soften fine lines and maintain elasticity. For the best results, combine these fruits in smoothies, salads, or bowls daily to provide your skin with antioxidants, vitamins, and hydration. It needs to look glassy and radiant. Remember, real glow doesn't come from makeup. It comes from feeding and protecting your skin from within. If you're ready to achieve smooth, glass-like skin naturally, hit subscribe, tap the bell, and comment, "I'm glowing naturally," to join the journey. True radiance begins with what you eat, and these 5 fruits are your ultimate daily beauty allies.